Did you know that the average American produces 4.4 pounds of trash every single day? That adds up to over 250 million tons of waste per year, just in the US. But here's the crazy part, some homes produce only a small jar of waste per year. Sounds impossible, right? Today, I'll show you how to make your home zero waste, even if you're just starting. By the end of this video, you'll have practical tips to reduce waste, save money, and live more sustainably. So if you care about the environment and want to cut down on trash, stick around. Number 1. What is a zero-waste home? A zero-waste home is a household that produces almost no trash by following the 5 Rs: refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle, and repurpose. It means making small, intentional changes in our daily habits, like refusing plastic bags, using reusable containers, and composting food scraps. Take Catherine Kellogg, a zero-waste blogger. She's reduced her yearly waste to just a small jar and has saved over $5,000 in 2 years by switching to sustainable habits. Number 2. Why should you go zero waste? Going zero waste isn't just about being eco-friendly. It's about making a real impact on the world. Here's why it matters. 1. Protect the planet. Reduces landfill waste and plastic pollution in oceans. 2. Save money. You'll buy less, waste less, and reuse more. 3. Live healthier, less processed food, fewer chemicals, and more fresh produce. Number 3. The 5 Rs. Zero waste now. Let's break down the golden rule of zero waste. 5 Rs. Refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle, and repurpose. Refuse, say no to single-use plastics like straws, bags, and packaging. Reduce, keep only what you need. Declutter your home and buy mindfully. Reuse, use cloth napkins, glass containers, and refillable water bottles instead of disposables. Recycle, if you can't refuse or reuse something, make sure it's properly recycled. Repurpose, upcycle old clothes, jars, and furniture instead of throwing them away. Number 4. Easy zero waste swaps for your home. You don't need to go zero waste overnight. Start with these small changes in different areas of your home. Number 5. How zero waste saves you time and money. Think zero waste is expensive. It's actually a money saver in the long run. Number 6. My challenge for you. If you're ready to start your zero waste journey, I have a challenge for you. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more eco-friendly tips. Remember, every small change makes a big impact. Let's make the world a cleaner, greener place together.